YouTube, this is NWI Prepper 19113, and this is a video response to Colossal Ammo for his Blessed Mother's Day giveaway. I'd like to say thank you very much for the giveaway, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And yes, I did have a good Mother's Day with my wife. We have 2 children. And I did get her something nice. Anyway, I'm in the comments, and I liked the video. I commented, I'm in. So this is a shout out to Colossal Ammo for the Mother's Day, Blessed Mother's Day giveaway. Okay, so that's it for me, and we'll see you at the drawing tomorrow. Good luck to everybody, and thanks again for the giveaway. Bye.